be doing this by myself. So it's Beza cooks because I'm giving Betsy a time to rest. Like she gave me time to rest. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make easy hash browns. This recipe is easy and tasty, and anyone, if I make it, anyone and all of you guys can make it too. So let's get started. So what we have here is some salt, 3 potatoes that are peeled, 1 egg, a sifter, box grater, and you're going to need this thing. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of flour and about 3 tablespoons of oil. So what we have to do is, I already have this peeled, and what we're going to do is we're going to grate our potatoes. You have to put it in water when you're done so it doesn't get like this red color. So I'm going to be using this side. So try not to cut your finger. It's very painful, so be careful. These Hashrowns are very tasty. They're very crunchy and crispy. But if you don't want them crispy or crunchy, you could just you could cook it shorter. And it's very tasty at the end. The hard work is worth it at the end. Okay, it's getting a little harder now. So it looks like this. It's grated perfectly. So I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so I'm just taking it out like this so I don't get scraped. Okay, so then all our leftover we put in there. So my hash browns are all grated. My grated potatoes are grated, and it looks like this. It's really pretty. So now with my sifter, I'm going to sift the water out, and I'm going to squeeze all of the water out of them. So because when you fry them, you don't want them to have water in them, because the oil and the water are going to react, and it's not going to be that good. Okay, so now I strained my grated potatoes, and it looks like this. It looks very good. So I'm going to put it back in my bowl. I was about to say pot. And then we're going to add our flour, our egg, and a bit of salt, about a teaspoon, and then a touch of oil. And then with this, I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, so now I put all my ingredients in here, and it looks like this. So I'm putting my gloves on so I don't really get my hands dirty. So I have a pot right here, and I put about 3 tablespoons of oil, as I said to you before, and I heated it up to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. So I'm going to scoop up one, and I'm going to just take some more and make it into any shape you desire. And then I take this, as I said before, I don't know the name, so I'm going to just put it in here. I'm going to do that with the rest. So now my hash browns look like this. They're looking very pretty, and it's almost ready for them to get taken out. See you then. So now I finished my hash browns, and they look like this. They look so spectacular. So now I'm going to taste them. So let's choose this one. It's very hot. very crunchy, tastes spectacular, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with all your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our awesome new videos. And also, if you already have subscribed, thank you, and I'm very pleased. And don't just watch this video, make it simple, activt, ciao, bye. I love you guys.